friends, welcome back to the Sawant's kitchen. So you already have an idea what we are going to cook today. What? What are you looking at?
What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Nothing.
Okay, I get it. So it's the dish that is...
So it's crab day today. It's crab. I just hate them. I just
If you're saying that you hate them, how do you expect our viewers to like them?
So
Do you know what you're talking?
I know, but I hate crabs. I just dream it. They come into my dreams with that creepy claws. Ooh.
So that shouldn't be the case. You shouldn't say that you hate them. Crabs, dude, they're crabs. I just love them.
Okay, cool. But what we are going to make from them?
Well, it's a simple dish. Basically, it's known as Malwani crab curry, and it's made with very few ingredients, and it's super easy to make. So let's go and check how do we make it.
Okay, so if that is the case, then I would definitely love to taste it, try it, and see. And I'm doing this for my viewers. Okay.
I know crabs are not your cup of tea, but I thank you. Like at least you're trying. Okay.
For my viewers. Okay, let's move on to the recipe now.
Let's proceed with making the Malwani crab curry. We have taken 7 crabs, 1 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 4 tablespoons Malwani masala, salt to taste, 2 big onions sliced, half coconut scraped, half cup desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon ginger, 2 tablespoons of garlic, handful of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 finely chopped onion. I have taken half teaspoon of oil over here. We'll now fry the sliced onions until they're brown. The onions are brown. Now we'll add the scraped coconut. Now this is done. Let's remove it in a plate. Now we'll dry roast the desiccated coconut until it's brown. Now even this is ready. We'll remove it in a plate. We'll make a smooth paste of this onion and coconut mixture by adding some water. Now we will make a fine paste of ginger, garlic and coriander using a little water. Both the pastes are ready. Now let's proceed with the gravy. The oil is hot. We'll now add the finely chopped onion and fry it until golden brown. The onion is now fried. We'll add the crabs to it. We will now add the dried spices. We will now fry this for 5 minutes. We are only frying the claws and shells. 5 minutes are over. We'll now add a glass of water and let the crabs cook. We'll now add the green paste to it. In the meanwhile, we'll grind the crab legs using some water. We'll now strain the crab legs. We'll now add the strained mixture of crab legs and the coconut and onion mixture to this and mix it well. Now we'll add water to this. You can adjust the consistency as per your requirement. Now add salt to taste. Now we'll cover and cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. Ten to 15 minutes are done. The crabs are ready. We'll now serve the gravy. Eat. Take. Come on, take. Eat. You're very eager to eat, right? Eat. So gravy is not even Ovi can eat. You know that? Try the claws.
Okay. So, how do we basically eat this?
Forget it's not your cup of tea. Give it to me. This time I give out.
Okay, so till the time she is eating, don't forget to subscribe and comment, of course, and press the bell icon for the future notifications. And yes, see you in the next episode. Bye. Okay, I'll taste it again. Thank you. Bye.
But anyway, he's given up this time. He's not gonna win.